Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Roblox error code 279 in a clear and practical way that actually works. This error usually appears when Roblox cannot connect properly to game servers due to network or browser issues. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable because weak or fluctuating networks trigger this error quickly. Next, restart your router and wait a minute before reconnecting your PC. Now, open your browser and clear cache and cookies, since corrupted browser data can block Roblox connections. If you're using a VPN, turn it off completely, as Roblox often restricts VPN traffic. After that, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, or add Roblox as an allowed app so it isn't being blocked silently. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter to refresh network settings. Also, ensure your system date and time are set automatically because mismatched time settings can cause connection failures. Finally, reinstall Roblox from the official website to reset all network permissions. Once done, restart your PC and launch Roblox again. Error code 279 should now be fixed, allowing you to join games smoothly without connection problems. Subscribe the channel for more videos.